I'm in 12th grade at Montgomery Central High School in Clarksville, Tennessee. Getting to see all my friends, and um, I have some really cool teachers that are good role models for me. In some ways, yeah. Kids sometimes are asking you, how are you doing? Are you cancer free? And that can be a little hard because I can bring up some memories, but other than that, everybody's been really supportive.